Hi there, welcome to the Bala's Creation. Today I'm here with one beginner tutorial about how to draw a tortoise. Drawing a tortoise can be a delightful and straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you draw a basic cartoon-style tortoise. After drawing a half-oval shape, this will be the tortoise shell. You can make it as elongated and rounded as you like. From the front part for the shell, extend a sharp neck and draw a small circle for the head. Then add two short legs with small rounded shapes for the feet. Extend a sharp tail with the back of the shell. This tail can be small curved line. Now go over your drawing, refining the shapes and adding any additional details you like. Erase any unnecessary guideline and overlapping lines. On the head circle, draw a small circular eyes. Place the tiny curved line beneath the eyes, then draw a small mouth by adding a curved line. Now it's time for coloring. You can use any color like marker, pencil or crayons, but here I am using the pencil color. Consider using earthy tones like greens and browns for the shields and limbs. Free to experiment the different shapes and sizes to give your tortoise a unique personality. Remember, this is a basic guide and you can adjust the details to match your artistic style. Here I am using different shades of green color. If you want, you can use it nicely. For highlighting the outline, here I am using the black marker. If you want, you can use the black crayons. Here my drawing is done. If you like my channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That's all for today. Bye bye.